In today's video, we'll go over the new quick action called fill template. What fill template does is it's going to scan the document for template placeholders and fill them in using uploaded source documents, matter details, or both. So what you can do with this is you can take something like a client intake form. Let's use this as an example, where we have a client summary with their prefix, first name, middle name, last name, address information, and email address, and we want to just quickly fill our master template for a letter to this client with this client intake form without having to type everything. So the way we would do that is we would open up our master template that we want to fill with this information. We would go over to our exec quick actions, and under more we'll find the fill template feature. We'll attach our source document, in this case that client intake form, and then we'll fill in our matter details or any relevant information or instructions. So in my case, I said fill in the bracketed placeholders within this document using the information in the attached document for the client's name, address, email, etc. For today's date, use June 16th, 2026, and then I said fill template. That populated 6 redline suggestions that we can go over. For this one, it said for today's date, it's going to go off of what I said, June 16th, 2026, and we can accept that change. For this one here, it's going to change the bracketed piece with the information about Ms. Mary Jane Watson, so I can accept that here. And if I want to, I can just accept all as well by saying apply all, but you can kind of go through and see what's going to be changed. So I'm going to go ahead and click to apply all. And we can see that those changes are all being made in the relevant positions. This is a really useful feature for quickly updating a template such as this letter or other templates with your client's information, especially if you already have their information stored in a PDF or a Word document such as a client intake form. Feel free to try this feature out yourself and reach out to us with any questions at exechelp@gavel.io.